Welcome back, fellow travelers, to another exciting episode of Travel Expert. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the City of Angels to uncover the top 5 best places in Los Angeles. So buckle up, because this is going to be one epic journey. Today, we're on a mission to unveil the hidden gems and must-visit spots in Los Angeles. From vibrant neighborhoods to iconic landmarks, we've got it all covered. Let's dive right in. Our first stop takes us to the iconic Griffith Observatory, offering breathtaking views of the sprawling cityscape below. Whether you're a stargazer or just seeking panoramic views, this spot is an absolute must-visit. Next up, we have the world-famous Santa Monica Pier. With its lively atmosphere, amusement park rides, and stunning sunsets, it's no wonder why this spot attracts millions of visitors each year. Don't forget to take a stroll along the boardwalk and grab a bite to eat at one of the many delicious eateries. Moving on to our third pick, we have the Getty Center, a true architectural marvel nestled in the hills of Los Angeles. Home to an impressive art collection, stunning gardens, and panoramic views of the city, this cultural hub is sure to leave you in awe. No trip to Los Angeles would be complete without a visit to the eclectic Venice Beach. Known for its bohemian spirit, vibrant street performers, and iconic Muscle Beach, this quirky neighborhood offers a unique blend of art, culture, and relaxation. Last but certainly not least, we have the legendary Hollywood Walk of Fame. Take a stroll along this iconic stretch of sidewalk adorned with the stars of your favorite celebrities and immerse yourself in the glitz and glamour of Tinseltown. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 best places in Los Angeles, each offering its own unique charm and experiences. Which of these spots are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy exploring! Thanks for watching Travel Expert. Stay tuned for more exciting destinations and travel guides. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy travels!